Mohawks! Hope you guys are ready for this one. Today we'll be working on inside Mohawks, where we start off from an inside edge and end on an inside edge. First off, we want to make sure we have strong inside edges. Just practice one edge at a time. For Mohawks, we are going to think about placing our weight on the back of the blade. Mohawk's going to be a bit tricky, so I have a good exercise for you guys. This is called my penguin waddle exercise. We're going to go back and forth on our inside edges. It is pretty awkward, but it's going to teach us how to open our hips and quickly transfer back and forth on those inside edges. Let's put it all together and try our forward inside Mohawk. Remember, just like a 3-turn, T position with our feet and with our arms. With our feet, we're gonna bring our free leg to the instep of our skating foot and slowly transfer to the opposite foot. Just like a 3-turn, I concentrate on turning at the top of my circle. With my circle arms, I'm gonna look where I'm turning, and also when I switch feet, focus on pressing that arm back. So here. For the Mohawk, we're going to start off on a strong forward inside edge, and we're going to step backwards with another strong back inside edge. So when you're stepping, think about stepping with your heel facing back. Let's review some common mistakes on the inside Mohawks. One thing is stepping too wide. We want to think about having our feet right next to each other like a T position. We don't want to step wide like this. Another common mistake is not staying on solid inside edges. Really focus and practice on doing it on a slight curve, so you're always on a strong outside edge. I don't want to see any outside edges or flats. The last common error I see is forgetting to open up your hips, your chest, and your core, making it harder to do the Mohawk. If you're stepping and your toe is forwards, that is incorrect. On those examples, I never opened up my body or my foot, and you can even see when I step, I'm not stepping on an inside edge, I'm stepping with my foot forwards and turning on the ice. And see you guys next time.